Okay, now let's just conclude what we have discussed. Now I have opened the book. I have this book by Lessica Flatley. ठीक है, इसमें there is a general direct plan. ठीक है, this general direct plan is a deductive plan. I'll just take the picture and I'll post it so you can just read it, go through it, so it will be more beneficial for you, easy for you to understand. It's actually the general direct plan they have given, and one is indirect plan. Now just coming to the conclusion part, I'll just post the pictures so that you can go through it and read it. Now concluding what we have gone through, there are two types of organizational plans that we usually follow in writing. One is deductive plan, the other is inductive plan. Okay, deductive plan is like direct writing. You can say direct writing would be involved in those type of situations which are not negative at all, which does not require an introductory paragraph. You can come direct to the point, which is something which is routine or which is something which is good, and then we would be employing the direct plan, the deductive writing. Okay, in which the routine things would be coming up, the goodwill messages would be coming up, or anything which is good for your reader, which does not require a lot of explanation in the first paragraph. So you can use a deductive approach of writing. Okay, the other is inductive writing. Inductive writing, we use in a very simpler term, we said indirect writing. Indirect writing is, by the term itself explains that you don't come directly to the point. In fact, you write indirectly. That is, the first paragraph would be comprising of just an introduction, just a purpose. Maybe it would be requiring a buffer. Buffer usually we use when we start to write something which would be negative for the reader. Then it would be requiring a buffer. And for buffer is actually an indirect way of writing. So we write a buffer and then we come to the point and then we close it with a very courteous line. Okay, this is what an indirect writing is. So indirect writing is actually involved in all those types of writing which is coming, which is not routine, which is not normal situation, which you are introducing to your reader for the very first time. It also requires persuasive writing. Within the persuasive writing, the sales writing, the sales letters also come within the inductive approach, that is the indirect writing, in which you would be introducing first, then you would be selling whatever your idea is, then you would be closing. Okay, so inductive is actually indirect. Indirect we use when the customer is not ready of whatever we are about to write. Okay, so it's something which is not normal, which is not routine, maybe which is not good. That in those situations we will be using the inductive approach of writing, that is indirect writing. Okay, I hope I have made myself very clear that these are two types of organizational plans, and it depends upon the situation what type of plan you would be using in what type of situation. Okay, now we would be coming the second part of our third week, that is routine and goodwill messages. Now we would be going with the routine and the goodwill messages. Now I would be posting some sample routine letters or sample goodwill letters for you to go through. You just read those goodwill messages, you just read through those routine messages, so you can get an idea that this is very simpler way of writing. When we are writing something which is very routine, so we just come directly to the point and we don't need to elaborate a lot on it, because the reader was already expecting what we are about to write. Okay, so I would be posting some sample routine and goodwill messages, and again I would be posting a small question also, which would require a bit of writing from your side. So you first decide when I would be posting that question, and you start to read that question. please just think about it in the first 1 minute, that what type of approach you would be using while writing that question, and then you start to write. Okay? Then whatever questions you people would be having, I would be definitely answering it when we would be having a class on LMS in your assigned days. Okay? Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please reserve those questions. I will definitely answer them. And please do view the LMS post that I would be doing that immediately after this lesson, and you just go through that. There would be a question also, please attempt that. Okay? Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.